Hello students, welcome to all in this new video lecture. Hope you have seen previous lecture. In previous lecture, we were seen what are the syllabus about BCom first year, BBA first year and BCA first year. In that syllabus, chapter number first is Introduction of Statistics is common for both class BCom, BBA and BCA also. So now today we will discuss about the introduction, meaning and definition of statistics. So I am Dhavle KB welcomes you all in this video lecture. Now we will see what are the introduction about statistics. The first slide, introduction. The modern world of computers and information technology, the importance of statistics is very well recognized by the all discipline. In the modern world, statistics is basically most useful for everywhere. So that is why statistics is very essential to the modern era. Now, statistics has organized as science statehood and found applications slowly, steadily in agriculture, computer, economics, biology, medicine, industry, planning, education, and so on. So basically, statistics is originated from science. At that time, they only use in science, but heavily and steadily, statistics is essential everywhere. Heavily, steadily, they captured agriculture area, then commerce, then economics, then everywhere. Then, as on the date, here is no other human walk of life where statistics cannot be applied. So nowadays, statistics is essential everywhere. For example, when we are going to go somewhere, so at that time we should follow time, we should follow speed, so at that time we should follow statistics. Then every work we do at that time we follow the statistics. So nowadays statistics is essential everywhere. So this is a short little bit introduction about the statistics. Statistics is one of the branch of mathematics. Now we will go for next slide. Origin of statistics. So origin means whether statistics is originated, what are the history of statistics. So we will see in this slide. The word statistics is derived from Latin word status, which mean political state. So statistics is originated where their Latin word is known as political state. So statistics is originated from Latin word. So you should keep in mind, I highlight here that word. I will send you PPT after lecture. So highlight in examination you have questions about answer in one sentence, fill in the blanks, MCQ question on that beat. So statistics is originated from Latin word status, which mean political state. Now next, it began evaluating in the 18th century in response to novel needs of industrialization states. So statistics is originated from 18th century, and at that time first they use statistics for industrialization. Now we'll see next. Sir Ronald Fisher, he was a British statistician and he is the father of modern statistics. So you also keep in mind in examination you have questions about this bit. Who is a father of Indian statistics? Who is a father of modern statistics? So Sir Ronald Fisher is a father of modern statistics. And Professor Prashant Chandra, he was a physicist by training, a statistician. He also known as father of Indian statistics. So Prashant Chandra is a father of Indian statistics. So that is origin of the statistics. Statistics is originated from Latin word. Then Sir Ronald Fisher is a father of modern statistics. Sir Prashant Chandra is a father of Indian statistics. Then statistics is originated from 18th century. So that should be essential for you. Hope you understand. Then we'll go for next slide. Meaning of statistics. So basically we have seen introduction about statistics, then we see origin and growth of statistics. Now we will focus on what are the meaning of statistics. Basically statistics is concerned with the scientific method for the collecting organizing, summarizing, presenting and analyzing data, as well as valid conclusion and making a reasonable decision on the basis of analysis. So statistics is a science of analysis. So in statistics is basically used for collecting data, organizing, then summarizing, then interpreting, then presenting and analyzing. So it's a useful for that all disciplines, and on the basis of that all process we go for one of the valid conclusion of any situations. Okay, then next bit is statistics is concerned with systematic collection of numerical data and its interpretation. So statistics concerned with the numerical data. Statistics is only deal with numbers and give quantitative answer, and on that basis we solve the qualitative problems. So that is the meaning of statistics basically. Then we will go for next slide, definition of statistics. So here are some definition of statistics. I will read. Statistics are numerical statement of facts in any department of inquiry, placed in a relation to each other. So this definition given by Bowley. Bowley says statistics is a numerical statement. What? Statistics deals with number, and statistics is a one of the numerical statement of any department of inquiry. So we have seen there were various departments, but if any department of inquiry, at that time we should follow the statistics from there, and statistics is a one of the numerical statement according to Bowley. Now we will go for next definition. In that definition says statistics is a form of mathematical analysis that use qualified methods, representation and synopsis for the given set of experimental data or real life studies. So this definition given by encyclopedia that says statistics is a one of the mathematical analysis, use qualified methods, representation and synopsis. So it should be used for representation and synopsis. And one of the I will tell you a 2 lines definition. Statistics is also science of number, that is also definition of statistics. Statistics is a science of counting, that is also one of the definition of statistics. So there are small definition of statistics. Hope this lecture conclude here. If anyone having a questions, queries, they will contact with us on Google Classroom, and also we make WhatsApp group. You should also contact on WhatsApp group. Then okay, thank you and take care.